Okay guys, so this is my new package. Got it in the mail, came from olaf.com. Some of you might know what this is. I forgot to get scissors, so I'm just going to rip it off. Ready? Oh yeah! Inflatable.com and Olaf. Yay! I want that to stay on. Inflatable.com. Okay, so this was what Lowe's last year. You can tell by the numbers, obviously. Shout out to the Gemmy fan, he has this. And yeah, let's open it. That just fell off. Also planning on ordering the Shipping Penguin in a few days. Damn it, I just made it worse. Actually, better yet. I actually haven't done that in a while. I haven't. You may be asking, done what? Took the brown box out of the original box. I'm not lying or anything. I normally don't do that. I'm gonna try to get all of the tape off. Let me put it so that's not good. Okay. Put that back in there. Nothing else, obviously. Put that back in there. Yeah, let's continue. Alright, it's a good thing I didn't cut it, because the extension cord is here. This is a good one. Good fan. This sauce also has a tinsel 6-foot off. This one doesn't have tinsel, I don't think. It does have a 5-foot light. Alright, let me inflate him and get back to the video. Looks great. Obviously, he's smaller than my 8-foot Olaf. Classical looks great. One thing that is somewhat weird is why does it have a green 7? I mean, like, I didn't change it. I'm not lying. Like, let me open this up. Yeah, possibly. Okay, my bad. It doesn't have a green C7. It has a blue C7. But still, really? You're putting a blue C7? Look at all this. Anyways. Really? You're putting a blue C7? I'm gonna just change that to white. That's pretty much it.